there is a pattern, and this is a changing Sundowns. There's a pattern of their goals that tend to be crosses. They're coming from wide and people are tapping in or they are heading. Mamelodi, and this is part of the reason why we didn't see much of Umshishi tonight. Umshishi was playing, of course, is coming from an injury, but all the players who were playing in the midfield, including Umshishi, all the ones that are supposed to break through inside the midfield, we don't see their best because Sundowns is tending to go wide and then crossing the ball. This is a departure from the Sundowns of 2023, 2024, where they were dominating the opposition. Now, there's a limitation to this kind of play because it's creatively limited. Because the opposition also, number one, knows what you're going to do. Number two, it relies on your winger finding people in traffic. Now, if you were able, Umshishi, the best days that you've ever seen him was when he's playing with Aboneo Mayema through the middle, line, and plays 1-2s and then is 1v1 with the goalkeeper and scores a goal.
Now, tell me, you just made a good point of Nkululeko ngai Sundowns. Do you think mhlawumbi enye reasons ezinye ifans Sundowns ezingekho happy ngayo Michael Cardoso indlela Sundowns ekora ngayo lately, or is how they create?
100%. This is a changing Mamelodi Sundowns. Their goals, I think, if you look at their last 10 goals so far, this is the last 10 goals. You will see a lot of goals coming from wide being crossed and people tapping them in. And this is why fans are unhappy, because it's a changing Sundowns. There's, of course, Sundowns, which is the shoe shine and piano Mamelodi Sundowns. And then there's this limited Sundowns that is not that good creatively. And I think going forward, there's going to be problems.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.